Hey everyone, Mahesh here, and today I've got something awesome to share with you. Are you looking for a sneaky way to get ClickFunnels without spending a fortune? What if I told you there's a way to slash the price down to just $33 per month? Stick around guys and I'll show you how. Also, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips like this. And also if you stick to this video till the end, there is a special bonus for you waiting. First off, let's quickly break down what ClickFunnels is and why you need it. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one marketing tool that helps you create sales funnels to guide customers step by step until they make a purchase. Whether you're selling products, services or memberships, ClickFunnels makes it super easy. No coding required. And it's a must-have tool if you're serious about growing your online business. Now, here is the sneaky part guys. How to get ClickFunnels for only $33 per month is the question. The trick is to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, which you will be finding in the second link in the description, and it costs around $100. And this is a 10-day program that not only teaches you how to build successful funnels, but also gives you 90 days of ClickFunnels access for absolutely free. If you compare it with the ClickFunnels actual pricing, then it's around $97 or $87 per month. Now when you compare it with One Funnel Away Challenge, you are going to get it for $100 for the first 3 months. Why? Because that's 3 free full months of ClickFunnels, which breaks down to just $33 per month. Pretty cool, right? Now what do you learn in the One Funnel Away Challenge? Number 1, the expert path. Expert path is perfect for selling digital products, courses or memberships, and the second one is the Ecom path. Ecom path is ideal if you're into selling physical products. And don't forget guys, you get live weekly calls with experts like Bronson and Trey to help you succeed. Whether you are a beginner or more experienced, the One Funnel Away Challenge gives you everything you need to level up. And guys, not only that, it gets even better. When you sign up for the challenge from the second link in the description, you're not only getting ClickFunnels access for the first 3 months, but also some amazing bonuses. You'll get lifetime access to the training materials, weekly live coaching, and even a bonus course called Fill Your Funnel, which teaches you how to drive traffic to your sales funnel. So much value packed into it. So here is how to get started. Number 1, click the second link in the description to join the One Funnel Away Challenge for $100. And second one is, after you join, you'll get ClickFunnels access for the first 3 months for absolutely free. And third, you'll grab all the bonuses and live coaching. Now, some of you might be wondering, is ClickFunnels really worth it? Absolutely guys. You know, there are other funnel builders like Lead Pages and Quadra, but none match the simplicity and power of ClickFunnels. So if you want an easy drag and drop funnel builder with a lots of templates, this is the best option out there. So to sum it up, One Funnel Away Challenge is a fantastic deal. You get top-notch training, expert advice, and ClickFunnels access for only $33 per month for the first 3 months. So don't miss this opportunity to grow your business. And guys, before you go, as I said, I've got a special bonus for you. If you liked what you saw today, be sure to grab my free ebook called Planner Recession Proof, and it's packed with strategies that are making me and my subscribers thousands of dollars every month. It normally costs $25, but since you're watching this video, you can grab this for absolutely free from the first link in the description. So don't miss out guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.